Welcome to the channel, Cooking with Chef Bouka. Please don't forget, subscribe, share, like, tell a friend to tell a friend. Let's get into it. Alright, ladies and gentlemen, we're back at it again. Doing what we do best. Chop, chop, chop. You know we do all day, every day. So today I'm like, you know what, I'm going to get intimate with my fans. You know what I'm saying? Real talk. You know what I'm saying? I'm going to do something that we normally do off screen when we're cooking for the family. You know what I'm saying? So I'm going to show you guys what we're going to have for dinner tonight. And I said, you know what, let's share it with my family as well. You know, from my family to my family. Check my ingredients out. So I got over here some gungo peas, which I already cooked already. Soft and nice. See that? You know, good to go. What we're gonna do now is we're gonna cook some gungo peas rice. I got a quart and a half rice right here. You know what I'm saying? Some coconut milk, and this is already half seasoned already. I got scallion, I got a bay leaf in there, I got some allspice in there, which is some pimento, and I got a piece of butter. And let me drop a little bit of this in there as well. This is my coconut oil, the organic coconut oil that I always talk about. So what I'm gonna do now, I'm just gonna put this back on the fire. Let it do what it does. And we're gonna get into this now. So let's finish introducing the ingredients as well. You know, everything that we do normally get some peppers in there. So I went to the seafood shop today. We get some salmon scraps. You know, you can't afford salmon at a price what it is, so I went to there get some salmon scraps. You know, when they fillet up some stuff, we get some salmon scraps. But it's still good, nice meat as well. You know what I'm saying? And we use everything. If we're eating the fish, we use the head, we use the eye, we use everything. You see the salmon scrap? Yeah. That's what we're gonna deal with tonight. VIP style. And what I have it marinating here, I have a little harissa rub, like a Spanish influence rub on it. I got a little bit of paprika, you know what I'm saying, a little bit of lime juice, olive oil, salt and pepper, and some pepper flakes as well. We're not trying to over season it, but we still want to, you know, can be able to taste the fish and the season balance as well. So you got to make sure, don't forget that part, okay? And over here, you guys already know, when you see my veg, you already know what I'm gonna have in there. I got some chopped okras, peppers, onion, scallions. You know what I'm saying? I'm gonna put a little bit in there. I'm gonna start sweat this out first. A little bit of salt, kosher salt as well. And I'm gonna end up with some of the magic seasoning in there, the VIP marinade. You know what I'm saying? And this gonna get some of this as well. And some gonna go into the gungo peas rice. So you guys know to cook gungo peas rice already, because I already done execute that on one you know what I'm saying, video back in the day. But we're just doing it again because I want you guys to see what we're gonna eat for dinner tonight, alright? When we come back, we're gonna get over to the stove and we're gonna start sear this off. So alright, after we sweat off the veggies, we take them out. Now we're gonna put the salmon in. You know what I'm saying? Salmon scraps. Small pieces that they can't really use, but you can use it. You know what I'm saying? And it's cheap. 99 cents a pound instead of like $7, $8 a pound. You know? I like salmon, so I normally go, you know, to the pier. Not the piers. Down the road right here and get my salmon, you know what I'm saying? Yeah, I want to tell you the name of it in a minute when it come back to my mind. You know what I'm saying? Yeah, we normally go down there and we order fish and they fry it and they give it to us, you know? Nice, really nice place. You know, like to go there all the time, enjoy my food. They got that grilled octopus, grilled calamari. You know what I'm saying? So we're just gonna sear it off a little bit, then we're gonna come back and put the vegetable on top. And we're gonna add some coconut milk to it. A little bit of pepper flakes. You know what, let's put a little bit of pepper flakes. And then we'll be ready in 5 minutes. Alright, that's what we're talking about right there. When we come back, we get into the rest of it. So yeah, while we're waiting for the salmon to sear, we're gonna put the rice in. I put a little extra water in that as well. Maybe it's gonna need a little bit more extra water for sure. I'm gonna need another cup of water in here. And in here I put some coconut milk. You know, half of the coconut milk I showed you guys earlier. I put half in there, so you guys already know what's going on. Half for the fish, half for the gungo rice. You know what I'm saying? Yeah. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna put this in medium and let it just cook, alright? We're gonna check it in between and see if we need a bit more water in there to make sure we have the right amount of water. Because you don't wanna have less water. The rice, you're not gonna be able to eat the rice, it's gonna be too hard, okay? Alright. The salmon looking good. You see that? Searing nicely. You know what I'm saying? That's what I'm talking about. But one thing with these salmon scraps, because it's kind of like the belly and the end of it, you give off a lot of oil. So you don't really need no oil in here. You see that? Yeah, you don't need no oil, no grease. It's good enough. Put that over. Yeah, that looks good, right? Yeah, so we're just gonna go ahead and flip these over. And later on we're gonna drop the vegetable back in here. Coconut milk. And that coconut milk for this, you're gonna have to put it in some hot water to make sure it dissolves properly, because you don't want to put it powder directly in here. It's just not gonna be, you know, loose up enough. Not gonna be translucent enough. So we're gonna go ahead and make sure we loosen up with some hot water. Turning them over slowly, you know? And don't try this, don't use a spoon to turn over here, okay? Use a proper tool. When we come back, we get into the rest of it. Alright, so let's turn up the rice a little bit after 5 minutes. Look really good. So this is what we're talking about with the coconut milk. A little bit of hot water. Pour the rest of it in here. Make sure everything is out, because you know this coconut is like liquid gold. So make sure you have this, spin him around, make him loose up. Yeah. Put some in here. Put about the rest in here, you know what I'm saying? Then after that, now, what we're going to do, we're going to go back and put the vegetable on top. You know what I'm saying? Easy 1, 2, 3. There's nothing to it. And if you can see, I didn't cook the vegetable too much because I want the vegetable to fully cook when it's going in here, you know. And what you want to do too, make sure you turn the fire down almost low, because the fish is ready. The moment I put the liquid in there in the bubble, the fish is ready to go. You know what I'm saying? So we're gonna wait for that while I wait for the rice. The rice is gonna take like 15 minutes. I'm ready to eat. You know what I'm saying? All day, every day. So that's what we're talking about right there. You know what I'm saying? Nice. You know? Everything ready. Everything green and nice. Nothing don't too overcooked. You know? I'm gonna give it 3 more minutes. As I said, the fish is ready. Just 3 more minutes for these okras. You know? Not to overcook, but to get them nice. And all the gumminess released out of it. Check my rice over here. Slowly coming in and low. You know what I'm saying? Yeah. 10 more minute rice will be ready. And then we're gonna show you what we're gonna do, what we do best. And I said, don't forget the rice. You know what I'm saying? I have to do the measurements. The measurement is important. Don't try to hide the rice. Measurement is important. You know what I'm saying? Don't forget that. Alright? Don't do what I do. I'm the master of cooking rice. You don't do that. But get your measurement up to par. You know what I'm saying? If you have to cool it down and measure it out, to measure it to get it back up, that's what it is. You know, but look at that. Perfect, huh? That's what we're talking about. Check me out over here again. It's gonna be nice. I'm telling you that right now. Salmon scraps flip up to make dinner for the family. That's what we do. We come back, we're gonna get into the rest of it, make you guys know what we do around here. So we said dinner time, chop time, you know what I'm saying? Family. Introduce you guys, you know, or sharing you guys intimate settings while we're eating for dinner tonight. So let's check it out. See that? Everything's on point perfectly. A lot of liquid in here too for your rice, you know what I'm saying? See that? Rice is very shelly as well. See that? Nice. So I've been waiting for this all day, so I'm gonna share myself a plate. Ain't gonna be no pretty garnish in this one because this is for me, you know? And as I said, this is a family, intimate settings, you know what I'm saying? And Gungo peas rice, I like a lot of Gungo peas rice, but I'm not gonna overdo it today. Alright. Fish time. That look good. Get a little bit of okra in mine as well too. Yeah. It's gonna be my dinner right there. Bring this back over to the stove so we can get a picture of this as well too. Let me clean up the side as well so we can get a better picture of it, you know? Yeah. This is my dinner right here. I'm even gonna take it with a spoon in there. You know what I'm saying? So, ladies and gentlemen, thank you, appreciate you. Don't forget, tell a friend to tell a friend. We appreciate everybody view the channel, everybody look at the channel. We're gonna do a live one of these days. I'll let you know the date prior to the live so you can tune in. There's gonna be some like crazy stuff going on. You know what I'm saying? You're gonna wanna see this, believe me. Peace and love. That's the end of the video. Don't forget, like, share, hit the notification bell. Tell a friend, tell a friend. Peace.